Hey everyone, today I have a really quick review on the Furnife 2-piece sink strainer. It comes in a very simple packaging, a Ziploc slider bag like this. And even though it's such a simple item and relatively inexpensive, I did my due diligence to research what would be the best value. I care a lot about durability and longevity, so I was looking for a strainer that had solid stainless steel build, so prevent corrosion. Was also looking for a one-piece solid design, none of that flexible silicone stuff. Also had the Goldilocks mentality when it came to hole size. I didn't want it to be too big where things will still slip through, and not too small that it becomes really difficult to clean. This one's just right at 2 millimeters in diameter. And finally, but most importantly, it has to fit my kitchen sink. So I measured my kitchen sink and it is 3 inches in diameter, which I think most US sinks are so. But when I went online, I couldn't really find any 3-inch diameter strainers for some reason. They actually listed this at 4.5 inches in diameter. But seeing that it had so many reviews, I figured this is probably the one I needed anyways. So the 4.5 inches is actually the outer diameter, including the flange. So it's a 3-inch opening with a 1.5-inch flange. So brand new, it looks really nice and polished and smooth. I've used this for quite a number of months now before I render my current review, and I'm happy to report that it still looks pretty darn new. So you can see it collects all the food particles very nicely, and it's very simple for me to just pick it up and then just dump it into my trash with a little bit of force. And you can see any leftover residue on it, I can easily just wipe it away with a paper towel. And they also say on the listing that you can technically pop it into your dishwasher if you really wanted to, but a simple wipe down I think is good enough. And here is a quick comparison of it right next to a brand new one. And you can see it's almost indecipherable which one is which. The stainless steel has really held up. I don't see any signs of rust or corrosion or anything. And while it may be $1 or $2 a little bit more expensive than a generic mesh strainer, I definitely have high hopes of this one lasting a very long time without it tarnishing. So if you're interested, as usual, I have the links in the description for you guys to pick this up. Thanks for watching.